Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can call Temu customer service. First, go ahead and open your Chrome. Here you can just type in Temu customer service. Tap on the first link. Here you can see the option called Contact Us. Go ahead and tap on it. You can use your Google or Facebook account to log in. After logging in, you can type in your complaint in the message box. And that is how you can contact the Temu customer service. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.